In today's video, I'll be showing you how I cut my soap, this beautiful soap. Would you believe that this soap was actually rebadged? Yes, they were rebadged. So I'm going to show you how I cut them using a beautiful, innovative, adjustable cutter. So just stay with me, relax, as I show you the process. You'll see the whole thing, how I cut the soap using a beautiful, innovative, adjustable commercial cutter. Okay, you're welcome to today's video. My name is Ogechima Dokoma if you're meeting me for the first time. Okay, so here is our soap. That is our mold. This innovative and adjustable cutter actually comes with this mold. This is our cutter. Look at how beautiful it is. Do you see? It is beautiful, it is adjustable, it is affordable, and it is very, very durable and movable. So that's our soap. This soap, as I said, was actually rebadged. I'm just showing you that there is no wastage in soap making. So whatever soap you have, you can always rebadge it to get beautiful soap again. So here's our soap. I'll be showing you how I cut it using this beautiful adjustable cutter. Do you see? Yes, that is where you adjust it to cut any size you want, and then you tight it using those bolts. So you adjust it using that line there, and then you cut your soap after you must have measured. Yes, look at me measuring the size I want. I'll first cut my soap into long bars. So I'm measuring. I have measured 1.25 inches. I want my long bars to be 1.25 inches. So here I go. I'm cutting my soap. I have measured it. Okay, so here you have it. This cutter is very, very easy to use. It is adjustable. With it, you can cut different sizes of soap. You can cut 100 naira soap. You can cut 200 naira soap. You can cut 500 naira soap. Any size of soap you want to cut, you can actually cut it using this one cutter. All you need is just take the measurement and adjust it as you saw me do earlier on. We are still cutting our soap. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, I beg you, please do well to subscribe as I bring you value on this channel. I do everything I can to ensure you start that soap business and succeed in it. Okay, I am done cutting it into long bars. I want to cut them into smaller bars. So you have seen me taking the measurement again. I'm actually measuring. I want to cut it into 2 inches. I want the long bars, the short bars, or the small bars as I will call them, to be 2 inches. So you see me, I'm taking the measurement now. I'll cut them into a rectangular bars. That is 2 inches. Okay, so here are our long bars. See how beautiful they are. Okay, so let's go. It's very, very easy to use. See? See how beautiful our soaps are coming out. And it is very, very easy to use. No stress at all. Just cut your soap into whatever size you want. Very, very stressless. Okay, you see, I want to cut this last bar into a small bar, 100 naira soap. See me adjusting that adjuster. Have you seen me adjusted it? Okay, see me now. Let's cut this soap. 100 naira soap. Here we have it. Can you see? Just see how I adjusted that adjuster and I cut this small bar. Look at it. Just with one cutter. I've cut the small size. I'm cutting the normal size I want to cut. I said 100 naira depending on your area though. Depending on your area. So you can sell your soap, cut any size you want. Okay, because I adjusted it earlier, I'm readjusting it to my 2 inch again. Because I adjusted it to cut that 100 naira soap, I remeasured it to my 2 inch again. So here we go, we are cutting our soap. Please, I beg you, like this video so that YouTube shows it to those that needs to see it. And if this is your first time here, please do well to subscribe and also share. If you think you want this cutter, please send me a WhatsApp message on 234-8029-04-6605 and I'll deliver right at your doorstep anywhere. I have delivered several of these cutters to Ghana. So anywhere you are in Nigeria, even in Ghana, I can get it delivered to you. So I can get this cutter and the molds delivered to you. They are very, very affordable. They are movable. They are beautiful. They are easy to use, adjustable, innovative. And this is all you need to start that commercial soap production. Let me help you cut your soap into beautiful bars using my innovative adjustable cutter. Just see the different sizes I cut with this soap. Can you see? Yes, 3 different sizes with this one cutter. So this one will save you a lot of money. If you know you're one person that makes different sizes of soap, you don't need to have different cutters. Just buy this one. You can cut different sizes with it. Okay, see me here. So this is 1 inch. This is 1.5 inch. Yeah. And this is 2 inch. All cut with one cutter. Just one cutter, and we have 3 different sizes. Even if you want 5 sizes, you can cut. Here is our beautiful soaps. Thank you so much. I want to see your order.